Hi, I'm Cash, your product manager here at Laxco Microscopes. Today I'm really excited to talk about our latest SeBa microscope system. Here I have the SeBaP4B. It combines a high-end compound microscope, a camera, a touchscreen, and software. All in all, this is a fully integrated system. Let's know a bit more about the microscope. The microscope itself allows you to image samples under bright field and phase mode. It's versatile. It has a 16 megapixel high resolution camera. It has a touchscreen tablet which allows you to view, capture, and save all your data. The SeBaView software on the tablet allows you to annotate, record, store data on the cloud, and a lot of other cool features. Let's take a closer look at a few of those features. Now let's explore all the features and functions on the tablet. So here I have a sample focused under 20x magnification. Let's look at the functions on the tablet. You have your image grabbing button right here. If you click on it, it grabs an image of what you have up on the tablet. This is your video grabbing button, so you click on it and it records any experiment that you wish to record for some time. So it's moving it around and you hit it again and it stops recording. You can go and find your data in the gallery. So under the gallery mode, you can see that the video clip has a video clip icon on it and the still image has no icon on it. So if you double tap on it, it brings out that image. You can hit live to go back to live mode. You can hide this away. This is your settings button. This allows you to choose the file type of the data that you're storing. So you can choose any file type for your static images. You can also choose the screen and the viewing resolution here if you want to change the view on your tablet. This allows you to find out where your data is getting stored. You can choose any location on your tablet to save your data. You can also flip or look at a mirror of the image that you're looking at through the eyepieces. And this box allows you to control the computer that's in the tablet. So you can basically connect to Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, whatever is needed to share data. You can also share data over the cloud. It allows you all to do that. Let's look at the other bottom three buttons here. This is your exposure button. So basically this would control the camera, which is inside. It's a 16 megapixel camera. It allows you to set the settings in a way that it allows you to capture the image at the most optimal view. You can change the exposure a bit. You can also change the contrast, saturation, and grab the best image that you can find. This is the annotation button. So it basically gives you the option to measure area, measure distance. You can already see that I have calibrated the objectives that I have on this scope and the distances are in micrometers. So let's grab a square. So when you click on it, it drops a square onto the image. Let's bring it on the area of interest and you can increase or decrease the size of the square and it gives you the area under that square. You hit the save button here to save your image and your image is automatically saved. You can again go and find it under the gallery. If you want to lose the square from the live image, you just hit the cancel button here and you just hide this away and then there it is. As you can see that it stored that image under the gallery. So again, if you double click on it, the image would again pop back up. That's pretty much it. It's a very user-friendly software and it's very easy to use. So as you just saw, this is a fully integrated system combining a scope, a camera, and a computer with software, which saves you precious pen space. This offers you both the option of having a binocular or a tablet, which is ideal for independent or collaborative work. Data sharing has been really simplified on this platform, so it saves you precious time. For further information, do not hesitate to get in touch with us. Log on to www.laxcoin.com for further information and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such exciting videos. Thank you.